Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the crankshaft. So let's make the cylinder that is 106 millimeters in length and 12 in diameter. Let's go to the part studio, select a sketch, front plane, change the view, and draw the circle from the origin that is 12 millimeters in diameter. Then let's click OK. Select the sketch and extrude it by 106 millimeters. Now, as it was shown in the sketch, we need to go ahead and use the chamfer at 0.5 millimeters and 45 degrees, as we can see right here. Click OK. Next, we need to remove the section from this plane, so we create a sketch in it, and let's double check with our dimensions. So, the plane goes from 4.5 millimeters from the center up and go in depth by 10. Here we go. We already had created the sketch in this plane, so we just change the view orientation and we draw the square, just a random one. As long as it intersects the whole part, we are good. And now we make it 4.5 millimeters up, click OK, and we're going to remove the material covered by this rectangle by 10 millimeters, as was specified in the engineering drawing. Click OK. Here we go. Go back. Now we need to create this hole that is 3 millimeters in diameter and 5 millimeters away from the edge. Let's go back. Change the view orientation to the right. Create a sketch. Draw a circle that is on the x-axis that is 5 millimeters away from this edge or the origin. Now this circle must be 3 millimeters. And here we go. Now we're going to remove this material through all. So we will use symmetric. Click OK. And here we go. We have our part ready and done. Thank you and have a great day.